Congratulations! Your visa has been approved.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Finally!
Yes,
been
finally
waiting.
po.
Thank you so
you,
much,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Hi, Sir Vince. How are you
Hi
po?
po.
How about
Okay
you,
lang
Ma'am
po.
Juden?
Okay lang
Kumusta
po,
po?
medyo maginaw.
Okay, kamusta naman po yung araw niyo po?
Okay lang po.
Okay. So, by the way, I am one of the managers of SDH, and we are calling you today because yesterday we have received an important update, an official letter from immigration. So, we have lodged your application, Ma'am Judane, your partnership work visa last April 4, 2025. And congratulations! Your visa has been approved po
Wow.
yesterday. Congrats!
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Finally!
Yes,
been
finally
waiting.
po.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much, ma'am.
Okay. Paano niyo po pala nakilala yung SDH, ma'am?
Actually, yung partner ko po, si Vince, yung nakahanap ng page nyo online via Facebook.
Nag-scroll lang po ako noon naman.
Okay.
Tapos dumaan yung SDH yung
Opo, tapos nakita namin.
sa LDR.
Tapos
Ah,
maganda yung mga feedback po. Kaya napag-desisyon na namin na mag-SDH. Yun. Tsaka, based sa mga mga rating sa page nyo, maganda naman yung service na pinoprovide nyo sa mga clients nyo. Kaya nakapag-desisyon kami na mag-SDH na po.
okay. That's good. Before kayo nag-decide talaga na mag-book with a consultation with our advisor. So, do you have any doubts or naka-feel po ba kayo ng takot na baka...
Wala naman po.
Siguro sa kanya, but for me, medyo po kasi baka in the future, if ma-decline, may iba kasing magandang mag-market online tapos hindi maganda yung service. Kaya nung na-approve yung general visit visa ko, with my experience processing my GVV, yung team members nyo is very attentive. At saka maganda talaga yung pag-assist and organize. We have also decided na pag mag-a-apply na ng partnership work visa, pag dumating na ako dito is mag-SDH pa rin po.
Ayun. How's naman yung advice ni Miss Sheila during the consultation?
Actually, it was really clear and informative kasi may mga tanong kami tapos nasagot ni Ma'am Sheila naman po. Tapos, she always made sure na if may mga tanong kami na hindi namin natarong during ng consultation namin is pwede naman daw kaming magtanong anytime. So, yun din po. Yung ibang mga tanong is tinanong na lang namin sa Slack.
Ayun.
Kaya po.
So, being one of the members of Golden Circle Program, kasi nag-avail po kayo. So, ano po yung pinakamagandang benefits or pinaka-na-enjoy na na-receive?
Okay po. Actually, isa sa reason kung bakit hindi kami agad nakapag-apply ng partnership work visa namin. Actually, 4 months stay ko na yun dito sa New Zealand. Is because hindi kami nakapag-ipon agad for our application with the Golden Circle Program na in-offer ni Ma'am Sheila. Mas flexible yung payment methods namin at saka payment options namin. So, mas nabibigyan kami ng good amount of time para makapag-ipon at to actually avail the same service kahit na mataas yung time, kahit na parang madalian yung pag-apply namin. I think that's one of the good things being a member of GCP po.
Ayun. So, yung walang habulan as the document.
Walang habol. Nabibigyan talaga kami ng time
organized talaga
makapag-ipon.
siya. Then, how was naman your experience with that team?
Yes po, si Ma'am Lia kasi yung nakapag-assist din sa amin
Okay.
during our general visit visa. Tapos, nagbigay sila ng mga list before complying po. Parang pinipray ko na lang lahat before submitting it para hindi na malito si Ma'am Lia saka si Ma'am Sheila. And kung may mga inconsistencies, dino-double check naman po ni na Ma'am Lia. Kaya mas napadali yung po namin. Kahit na less than 2 weeks lang ata yung preparation namin sa pag-comply ng papers po.
Ayun, so while on the visa process, ma'am, do you have any challenges po na na-encounter at paano naman po natulungan kayo na SDH during that process?
So far, wala naman po talaga.
Ayun, good thing.
Siguro sa joint bank account namin kasi nahihirapan ako primarily mag-open ng bank account ko dito kasi wala nga kaming proof of address ko here in New Zealand. Tapos, nagbigay ng alternative si Ma'am Sheila kung paano ko daw pwede possible na maka-open ng bank account. Tapos yun po, yun yung solusyon na binigay nila sa amin at successfully naman po nakapag-open din ako agad ng bank account with her advice.
Okay, good to know that naging smooth naman yung pag-process. And we are so thankful din po dahil isa po kayo sa client na naging cooperative po. So yung pag-submit ng documents is on time. So kaya naging madali din po yung pag-process ng documents po. For example, may makakausap po kayong isang Pinoy ngayon na gusto na din ma-reunite sa kanilang pamilya or yung sa mga partners nila dyan sa New Zealand. Ano po yung masasabi niyo?
Mayroon kaming nag-viral na video po sa TikTok nung pagdating ko dito sa New Zealand. Tapos may mga queries kung sino daw po yung tumulong para makapag-assist kasi yung iba daw nahihirapan. So my partner, since sa kanyang account po yun, tinasabihan namin na sa SDH kasi doon kami tapos madali lang. Yun po, yun rin yung sinasabi ko sa mga family and friends ko in the Philippines.
Ayun. Thank you for that recommendation, ma'am. And we are so satisfied din dahil satisfied po kayo na clients. So, and we are so happy na naging cooperative din po kayo sa pag-process ng mga visas po niyo. From GBV up to your partnership for visa. So, ano po yung gagawin niyo, ma'am, na ipapasa na po namin yung i-visa copy niyo po sa partnership for visa. So, what's the first thing you will do in New Zealand?
Actually po, as of the moment, may mga na-download na akong mga job hunting apps. I think I will be hunting for jobs na po since I was already able to seize my days here in New Zealand po. It's time to look for a job.
Yun, hindi ka na maiinip, ma'am.
Opo. Siyempre po, naiinip talaga dahil 6 na buwan akong walang ginagawa po.
So yun yung the good thing na approve na po yung partnership of visa. So makakapag-work na po kayo starting today kasi papasa na po namin yung visa. So on behalf of the entire SDH team, ma'am, we are so thankful for the trust that you have given to us from your general visitors visa application after your partnership of visa and hopefully for your resident visa naman. Okay
po.
Okay, once again, congratulations, ma'am. We are so happy talaga
Thank you
sa
po, ma'am.
naging approval po sa partnership for visa po.
Thank
So
you
your
po.
success are our success po. Thank you. God
Thank you,
bless.
ma'am.
Ingat po kayo
Have a
lagi
great
niyan,
day.
sir.
God bless
Have a
din
great
po.
day po. God bless. Bye-bye.